This is a job that we took on in Gloucester as part of a house build. We framed this deck midsummer of last year while the homeowner was building his home, and we did a pile of other work inside the house. As you see, we have trim boards, decking, 4x4s secured. We also have a hatch running to the basement bulkhead. Decking boards are by Timber Tech, secured with hidden fasteners. As you see in this part of the video, we are cutting out the trap door to have access to the basement. We also installed AZAC railing system. He wanted black in color. We got the larger size posts with larger caps, and the homeowner was just blown away by the whole lot. Really likes it. So on your next project, please reach out to Neary Construction. We would gladly give you a free estimate on your project and take it from there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.